talk a little bit about getting started in Cisco networking, specifically through the ICND 1 and ICND 2 classes and the associated certifications. Many of the students interested in this class may be exploring a possible future in data networking. So why look at this as a career? The answer should be almost obvious. Data networking drives everything. How many of us could live without our internet service and smartphones, and how many companies could stay in business if they didn't have a robust data network? Now, some people might think that the market for fundamental skills is waning, but the truth is that they are now needed more than ever. According to payscale.com, an entry-level position with the CCNA certification earns between $50,000 and $60,000 a year, and with experience up to $85,000 a year. Not bad. And all of the new sexy technologies like voice over IP, security, wireless, virtualization, storage, and data center, they all depend on the fundamental capabilities of data networks. So I think the market need and career potential for starting in data networking is pretty clear. The other thing that is quite clear is that Cisco stands as a leading company in this space. If you're going to get educated and certified, clearly Cisco is the primary to concentrate on. This is true even for students that have data networking experience but haven't gotten their Cisco credentials yet. Employers really value the CCNA certification both in terms of what it stands for and the assurance it gives that an employee is strong in Cisco networking. Now, at one time, a student might have needed Network Plus certification or similar background to be ready for entry into Cisco. But the great thing is that Cisco redesigned the ICND program a couple of years ago. They really beefed up the fundamentals portion, so that kind of previous certification or knowledge is no longer absolutely necessary. Another great thing to keep in mind is that the student has some really good options. They can take ICND 1, pass the exam, and earn CCENT, then take ICND 2, pass the exam, and get their CCNA. Or take both the classes and then pass a combined CCNA exam. The CCENT might be a great option for the student with limited budget, or wanting to take 2 steps. And once they're CCNA certified, they have the opportunity to earn additional specialization certifications in security, voice over IP, and wireless, just by taking an associated class and the exam for each specialization. Really great bang for the buck. In summary, for career-minded individuals, it's plain to see that pursuit of the CCNA certification is an excellent way to increase their value to their current and future employers. I hope this high-level overview has been helpful, and now it's time to dig into the course itself.